Welcome to Lochs on Location. We're currently on the Allure of the Seas, and this is Mallorca.
So ladies and gentlemen, we're in Palma de Mallorca. It is very late in the day. Stuart and I we had a party last night. Scarlett was at Kids Club and we woke up to this view. Scarlett would like that yacht, please. You, come here.
Just wanted to show you down the bottom here. You can see hopefully some people just walking across. Now they're walking from there, they go underneath this building, and over there you can see in the distance, about there-ish, there's a queue. That's the massive queue that they're all waiting for taxis, and you can see all the taxis coming in to pick them up. So yeah, so if you are getting off a ship and you need to get a taxi to get to wherever you want to go, if you're just going into town by yourselves, it's going to be quite a while by the looks of it.
We're going to see what adventure lies in front of us today. So let's go and start our day with some brunch.
So we're coming through to Windjammer Marketplace for some breakfast. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to video this another time because there is so much of it.
Over there.
Yeah, sit by the window. Wow, look at this. Hash browns, bacon, sausage, scrambled eggs. I mean, there's loads. We haven't got a lot of time, so we're going to just grab some food. And I'm going to find the girls now, where they are. I think they found a window seat, maybe.
Palma Nova from the Windjammer. Wow. It's a little breakfast this morning. Scarlett's gone absolutely crackers with the bacon.
I didn't mean to, they're all stuck together.
So as you can see, we've surfaced.
Surface, absolutely amazing.
We had surfaced.
Oh, what does that mean?
As in arisen, got up.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, I have to educate these as I go along. Anyway, so we've just had brunch in the Windjammer, and now we're off to Park Cafe for coffees. I think it's like we're going out for a coffee. It's quite nice, honestly. Look at them. Look at them. Right, so we'll see you in the Park Cafe for coffee. So we've just had to pivot because it's 20 to 12 and Park Cafe doesn't open until 12. It shuts between 11 and 12. So the only time of the day that it shuts is when we try to go there. So we're going to go up to the Park Cafe and try again. The place is empty because everybody's got off at Palma de Mallorca. And we haven't. This is where we were last night. So let's head down to Cafe Promenade, not Park Cafe. Cafe Promenade for a coffee. Just sat down in Cafe Promenade, ordered our coffees, and I think it's finally hit you that even though we paid a fortune for the drink package, just how much we'd be spending if we were paying as we went along. I mean, I think it's €5 for a coffee, is it?
$4.25.
$4.25. I'll let Stu give you a look.
Yeah, $4.25. Right, I'm just going to take over now so you can see. Hopefully, you'll be able to see the prices on here. So you got quite a big range. You can see that. You can get everything you want. Obviously, you can get like a tour, grande, and then really big. But yeah, lovely. Right, we're just going to enjoy our coffee.
Also got these little things everywhere. Small Wonder, they're called, and they're just cute. And Stu's going to take a picture, so I'll share what it looks like when you look through it. But they're really cute.
Mallorca. But there you go, yeah. Look at that. We're just sitting up at Scooters, so I just want to give you a bit of a view. This ship is just simply amazing. I've got a whole car there. Now there you see all the water in the fountain. Above that, way up there, is actually a bar that goes up and down, which we did last night, the first night being here. Yeah, so we're just going to do a quiz now and relax, and then see what we'll do next.
Just kidding, okay? No, just kidding, sir. We're not ready. Okay, so I'm gonna give you one more. Once you know the answer, raise your hand. Can you please switch places, okay? You up there and you over here. Yeah, I know. It is the 7th largest US state. Don't help them, okay? Teams, second one. American nuclear testing is carried out here. American nuclear testing is carried out here. Oh. Well, let's go to the next one. And it is come to the highest dam in the USA. Okay. We all see she was the first one. So, Nevada. And that's the right answer! So, give it up for him as well, please, my friend. But right here we have our winner. What's your name? Gina. Gina from UK! So Gina, your amazing prize. Are you ready for this? I have this beautiful and spectacular kitchen!
So we have found a place that we've never seen before. I mean, we've only been on this a day. So memory making right this way, Adventure Ocean. You've got some sort of a quest here on this board. I don't know where we are, but look at this drop. I'm not going to put my camera on the outside, but you go down in the lift and you see all of these. It's gorgeous.
Look at the lights, I think.
Oh no, this is a kid, so that's babies. Oh, I won't tell you. Oh, this is, oh look, 3 to 5 year olds. This is for the kids. So we're just a bit lost, that's all. I think we're at the far end of the ship.
No, where are they?
Stuart was saying that he feels that the carpet is really spongy, and it is.
It is.
Because it's obviously new. So
Soft on you.
I don't recognise the artwork. So we are about 60 miles down here.
Right, I'm just going to give you a bit of an idea of how long the ship is. So we've gone in for a door back there, and look how long that is. That's just the rooms. The ship's even further than the rooms. That's crazy. That's a big ship. So we've just come back from the quiz, which Gina won, and we're going to get dressed and do our oh my god, look at that! Oh, it's a little elephant that he's made. How cool is that? Oh, bless. So yeah, they just made our room up. Wow. Okay, that's cool. How clever is that?
It's got to wash the balcony tomorrow. So to clear the
Whoa.
balcony. Oh, look at the view.
Let's show you the view. Yeah, let me show you the view.
It's beautiful at the minute.
I know it's just the port area and all, but it's just, there's sailing boats out there, and oh, I'm gone too high, sorry. So we just realised we're moving. We're off. Yeah, guys, I think this was probably a better view, so you can see that we're actually leaving Mallorca. But we're off to France. I'm going to go through and say about the gym. So I'm going to take Scarlett. Hopefully we'll do a couple of training sessions at the gym. It's huge. It's everything you can think. I mean, I go to Verdant Gym back home, and yeah, every machine. You've got the running machines, the cycling machines. You've got all the different weight machines. They seem to do a lot of classes as well, and there's free weights there. When you walk in, you just got to remember it's for 16 and over, but like I said, Scarlett's 14, but you can do a waiver as long as an adult's with her, so she should be with me, so she'll be fine. But it was really good, really fully kitted out gym. There was when we went and had a look around, there was some yoga classes and all was happening. Looks like there's obviously water, there's towels there, and there is actually a full fitted spa there, so if you want to pay for some treatment and all, you can. So yeah, I'm not sure if I can film in there, so I just wanted to say, if you want to work out and all and do some fitness lessons and everything, then there's plenty, absolutely plenty. We are going, and I've got no chance of pronouncing this correctly, Yuzumi Hibachi and sushi? Is that right? It's a samurai warrior, eh? Yeah. It's pretty cool. Right, well, we'll show you around in a bit. I'm just going to get registered and booked in.
Yeah, Japanese baby boy. Alright. Egg on the grill goes round and round. Round and round. Round and round. Egg on the grill goes round and round. All day long.
Hey!
Okay. Oh. One more. How to make a flower. Yeah. Yes, let me see. Wow, it's a boy. Would you like to meet Anna? Anaconda. Okay, Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Okay, so ready, boy? Ready? Okay. Let's go. One, two, there we go. Ah, too high. One more. One, two, there we go.
Yay!
Ladies, you want to try?
Do you want to try?
Oh, yes. That's it.
Open.
Ready? One, two, and three. Here we go. Ah, sorry, bad throw. My bad. Ready? One, two, three.
Ah!
I'll give you one more.
Open up wide. Yay!
Anybody want to try? Oh, don't do mommy. You want to try it? Yeah.
Go on then.
Go, okay. Let's go, man. Alright. Got a free. One, two, and there we go. Hi, sorry. Bad throw. Knuckle. One, there we go. One more.
Okay.
One more.
One, there we go.
Oh! Got a big fat tongue.
Alright,
What's your rice like? Really nice. Yeah. Wow.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stuart. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
So we're in the amphitheatre and we're just about to go and watch Blue Planet, is it? So yeah, we'll see what it's like, but I mean it's huge. I mean it's a proper theatre. Look at the size of it. So that's pretty amazing. So yeah, we're going to enjoy it, see what it's all about.
So we've just come back to the room to change my shoes because I'm not used to high heels anymore, and collect a few more duckies to go hiding. But we've just watched Blue Planet. I just wanted to say it was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah, pretty
Cool. It's only about 40 minutes, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
You get drinks there. There's bars in there, so you can get a drink, sit and watch the show, and it was really good fun, really entertaining. It's just all about the earth and stuff. I didn't really follow the story, but they used all hits like Michael Jackson's Our Song and that, so that's why we couldn't film in there, because we couldn't use any of the footage anyway.
But it was all on stage. They had the elements, didn't they? They had fire, the earth, the wind, the water. And the performance was superb. It really, really was. Very, very impressive. So yeah, if you get a chance, we definitely recommend that.
So that's our first show. We had a bit of a kip this afternoon. We were going to go and do some quizzes.
Yeah,
but,
it's only an hour.
we were too tired. Because we are burning the candle at both ends at the minute, and we want to get up relatively early tomorrow to do a bit of sunbathing. We're going to go back out and have a bit more fun, see where we end up, not sure, so hopefully you'll see us in a little bit later.
It's party time!
Right now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to turn those flashlights and join us for